Good day, everybody, and welcome to Tuesday's One A Day. And today's One A Day is the domino effect of an unhealthy prostate. Now, understand something. Where does the domino effect of an unhealthy prostate start? Well, it actually starts in the mind, because where the mind goes, the body follows. And understand this, that men have been programmed to have an unhealthy prostate. But before you would ever have an unhealthy prostate, you have to have an unhealthy colon. Oh, wait a minute. Before you ever have an unhealthy colon, you would have to have an unhealthy lifestyle. Okay? Wait a minute. Before you ever had an unhealthy lifestyle, you would have to have unhealthy beliefs on what a good lifestyle is. A good way to eat, a good way to drink, a good way to think. And understand something. If I were to do a comparison study between men and women, women are flexible. Women will embrace new things. Men, they're so stubborn. They stick their heels in. Oh, and they know everything, don't they? Yeah, take a look at the shape that men and women are in today, and you'll see that men, okay, are totally dumbed down. You'll see that a man can be with a woman that's still in good shape or reasonable shape, and his stomach will be sticking out like as if you stuck a pin in it, he would fly all over the place. He's so full of gas because he's rotting inside. Or his large intestine, even his small intestine have fallen down and out, and they're putting pressure on the prostate. And understand something. What you consider, men, to be like a normal colon and normal bowel movements, I would consider a putrefactive situation. Listen, I'll tell you right now that 85 to 95% of all men are putrefying in their large intestine, which then they are allowing waste to be absorbed into their body. And because of gravity, it goes down into the pelvic girdle where the prostate sits. And there would be no prostate inflammation if there wasn't what? Infection. There wouldn't be any infection unless you're reabsorbing your own waste and you were stagnating. So let's just put it the way it really is. 85 to 95% of all men, okay, their large intestine is supposed to be the holy grail. It's supposed to be 85% of your immune system. And now it's just turned into a cesspool of sludge, of bad bacteria, fungus, mold, and parasites, okay, where the lining is actually inflamed and the waste is coming through and it's filtering down, all right? And this is why prostate problems have increased 40% in the last 5 years, and in the next 5 years, they're supposed to blow up 400%. So understand something. For cancers in men, it will be a prostate problem, and they will not understand that the prostate problem comes from the large intestine and that eating all these dead carcasses, which are animal products, and drinking beer and drinking wine and doing tons of bread and dairy, which dairy is the most it's the most inflaming food that you can eat. And it also probably causes more cancer than any other food. So the reality is, until men actually wake up, and they won't wake up until they know they're asleep, they're going to be spoiled rotten. And it's going to continue to be that way. So I would tell every woman and man out there to watch this Wednesday, 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, okay, my show on the Doc of Detox show, Spoiled Rotten, okay? The all-American couple. It's called Spoiled Rotten. It's not a long show. You'll like the humor, but it's going to show you the way the average couple actually live, the majority, and you're going to go, wow, never thought about that. So understand something. We got to stop giving our power away, and we got to take it back. So thanks for joining me. Have the best day of your life. And just remember something. It's not what comes out. It's what stays in that kills you. Have a beautiful day.